Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Eps File in Photoshop Easy Method. Begin by opening Photoshop and choosing File Open, then select the EPS file you want to import. Rasterize or choose to place as a smart object depending on your needs. Convert colors or adjust resolution if required before editing. Use layers and masks to isolate elements and save a PSD copy to preserve edits and vector information for future changes. Open a new document or the project where you want to add the EPS. Choose File Place Embedded to insert the vector as a smart object for non-destructive edits. Double-click the Smart Object layer to edit the vector in Illustrator if available, or rasterize to paint and filter in Photoshop. When scaling, hold Shift to constrain proportions or use transform controls for precise sizing. Always keep an original EPS backup. Export with File Export as to choose formats like PNG or JPEG, or use Save as to keep EPS or PDF versions. For printing, export at 300 dpi and convert to CMYK if required by the printer. For web, optimize at 72 dpi and use sRGB color profile. Flatten only final copies and keep layers in the PSD master. Use smart filters for flexibility to maintain editability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.